I'm Evan with Hoover Tractor. We're looking at our new mower line, the MC105 in this case. We have 9 foots, 10.5 foots, 12 foots, and 15 foots. This one was just introduced. It's similar to some of our older line. The cutter bar is our Q3 cutter bar. So it's the new improved version of our long time cutter bar system. It has a 3-year warranty on the bar. It has our quick clips. It has a shear ring inside under the discs here, which is quick and easy to replace. And if you spin the disc off, you can check the oil quickly also. That's the Q3. Quick change knives, quick change on the shear hub, and quick check on the oil. So this one has the drawbar, 2-point drawbar. They also have a drawbar swivel, they call it, that actually hangs on the tractor drawbar. The 9 and 10 foots are all 540. The 12 and 15 foots, if I remember right, are both 1,000. This has a hydraulic float. What the hydraulic float does for us, the spring will tend to bounce, whereas the hydraulic float will allow us to move the full range of the lift at the same pressure. That's going to give us a whole lot better flotation than we would have if we had springs. And if we go to the back, the way the hydraulic float works, this is a double cylinder. One is our lift, the other one is our float. Down here is something that we're really pleased about. This is the topping cylinder. It's just a blank cylinder that sits in there that prevents it from going down too far. So what that means is we could set this to run about 2 inches off the ground, which means you'll lose a little bit of cutting quality if you have a lot of rises and falls in your field, but you're not going to have any wear on your skid plates. And if we go all the way to the top cylinder, top hole here on these cylinders, we're going to be able to cut about 6 inches, which would be great for sorghum and some of those crops like that. Here's how you adjust your tilt. Other than that, it's a familiar machine. We've sold similar for years, so come and see us.